Today, the Ohio Attorney General hosted the 7th annual Human Trafficking Summit in downtown Columbus. Directors say 700 people were there at the event, and they tell 10 TV people come to Columbus from all over the country for today's event.
Now, they say of those 700 people there, the summit hosts victim advocates, healthcare professionals, law enforcement, attorneys, survivors, and anyone concerned about the issue.
A director for the Human Trafficking Initiative tells me there are many misconceptions about where or to who human trafficking can happen to. She tells me that it can happen to anyone, at anywhere, anytime.
Human trafficking definitely takes shape in a lot of different ways.
Mary Kate Wagner is the director of victim services for the Human Trafficking Initiative. She says trafficking doesn't discriminate.
A lot of people envision, one type of victim, and it's often a young girl, and that's not always the case. There are certainly adults that are victims, men and boys.
And can happen anywhere.
It happens in our big cities, but it also happens in our small towns and our suburban communities.
Wagner encourages anyone experiencing trafficking to reach out for help and says those who suspect trafficking should also use resources available to them to report what they know. She says asking for help can be tough.
It can take time. Everybody's journey is going to be different, and everyone's timeline is different.
But says there are people who will support you.
There's, again, 700 people in the room that would love to wrap their arms around you and support you however you see fit.
Now, there is a law enforcement tip line that's 24/7. It is 844-ENDOH-HT. Wagner says that anyone can call, even those who aren't experiencing trafficking but want to report something they're seeing in their community. You can call that number. And again, that number, I do want to give you guys that again. That number again was 1-844-ENDOH-HT.